Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulullah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala amma ba'd. So, in this session, I would like to tutorials in this session. It's being the second videos tutorial OSPF routing protocol. And of course, it's about uh, network. It's about network. Yeah, it's about network, of course. The previous videos I was talking about OSPF, yeah, the starter. Yeah. By the way, for just for remember, what is OSPF? So OSPF is Open Shortest Path First. The routing protocol use the shortest way, the shortest jump. This one, like right, as you guys can imagine from this picture, this image. Uh, Link state. So this one is SPF. On SPF use the Dijkstra algorithm or SPF, shortest path first, and low cost means that the lowest jump, I think you can say the lowest jump or the biggest bandwidth. All right. This one the previous material that I told you, I've teach you about SPF version 2. So SPF have their own, there are three versions. First version, second version that we always use, and the third one. And one thing that you guys must be understand about air type or router type, about backbone, IR, ABR, XPR, what is this all about the all of this has been talked about in the previous videos, SPF starter. So you guys must to watch that video. But backbone, something that we're gonna make OSPF routing protocol, so we have to make backbone. That's something basic, yeah, basic, but that's really important. Yeah, so you guys must be understand from the basic one. That's the point. All right. This one will be the, how to say, slide we are not learning yet. Yeah. So main agency SPF. By the way, OSPF, the router can be, how to say, we can say, we can we cannot say the router become OSPF routing protocol if it's not, how to say, connect, it's not connect with the backbone area. So OSPF, when the router, let's say, we can say, we can mention the router to be OSPF routing protocol by connect the backbone area or zero area. Okay, main agency means like agency as you guys can understand, agency or combining or collaboration between one router to other router. Under main agency or SPF, there is DR, DDR, and also highest priority, lowest router ID. Sorry. What does that means? What is DR and what is BDR? So DR means designator router. What is this? By the way, I've told you before that SPF basically using area concept. This one. So SPF, of course, will have their own area. Each router, I think, each router using area concept. So example here, there are some of area, ya, some of area. There's the pink, blue, yellow, and green, and many else. Yeah. That's we call area or I don't know how to say in English, but the main point area. So each area inside the OSPF routing protocol, they have their own DR. So what is DR? We can example DR means like leader, yeah, leader of class. Leader of class. Designated router means leader of class. Each area have their own DR. Inside inside the area will be choosing one router as the DR as the leader. So one area, one class will be choose one DR, one leader. And what about BDR? What's BDR? BDR means backup designated router. We can be understand from B this one from B means that backup or like vice, yeah, vice leader. So BR means like vice leader inside the class. If BR like a trouble, have a trouble like off or something like that, so BDR will be backup. Will be the vice will be work will be changed the DR. Also there is drawer. So drawer, this one you can see this one. Drawer looks different. So drawer inside the area, but the it's not BDR is not BR also. So like the member, there's normal one, normal router. So it means like member. And we can mention it as the member. Also there is highest priority. Highest priority. It means not priority. It means I mean not priority like usually priority. No, not like that. Priority means like uh, it's called it's called priority. Inside the OSPF there is a variable variable and there's a variable namely priority and the highest priority. So the highest variable priority that allows router ID. I don't really understand, but each router they have their own router ID from IP like that. Right. The next one is neighbor state. I don't really understand this one, but it's very useful. I think. Yeah, neighbor state. You can search to others because I don't really understand. Hmm. Just skip. Okay. We can learn to how to say we're gonna learn to material. So it's about virtualing and also one more letter. So what is virtualing? Virtualing is like a shortcut. Yeah, it's a shortcut. It means that OSPF router will be OSPF routing protocol if it's connected by area 0 or backbone area. Yeah. What about if like this? The only router one that connect with backbone area. So what is the solution? One solution to use virtualing because router 2 and router 3 are not connect directly with the backbone area. So one thing that can maybe fix this problem, fix this trouble, one solution we are using virtual link to connect router 2 and router 3. So virtual links means like as you guys can see understand I mean virtual is like wireless by virtual right? You can understand and link like cable but it's like a virtual like nothing it's it's there but nothing's on ice yeah, like that. Right the next one I think these two material are important for SPF. The next one GRE tunnel. So tunnel, um, as you guys can understand, tunnel is like similar with VPN. It means like shortcut. Like we can mean it means like bridge, bridge, but bridge with the pillar. So bridge without the pillar, with the pillars, it's nothing. Yeah, it's nothing. So there is the it's still wired. By the way, before what I have told you, all of these router are can be OSPF protocol if they are not connected with the backbone area. So what should I do? So one thing, it's similar with link step before virtual link, sorry, virtual link, similar, same also, but are different, a bit different. Yeah, from tunnel, if tunnel, each area have their own tunnel. Yeah, because what I have told you, it means like uh, what bridge, but still there is the wired one. Is the main link, the main way. Also, there is the bridge on top of it. Yeah, but by the pillars. If there's no pillars, it can be work. It's off. It's okay. So guys, so I think for until year 8 tunnel also only. I mean this one yeah tunnel so 12 it goes to router 1 goes to router 2 yeah. So each what we call each area there have their own tunnel or bridge, and this one net network 102, 102, 102, 100 area 0. So this one the point one area 0. What is this? It means that all of it the bridge goes to backbone area. So we have to add area 0 or backbone area. So that's the point. I think we could understand it fine. So guys, I think that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.